This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the roof and rack capacity. This protects the vehicle and tent. Measure and mark crossbar spacing so the tent sits centered and balanced. Once positioned, loosely fit the mounting brackets and bolts. This lets you fine-tune alignment before final torque. Make sure to apply thread locker or rubber pads where recommended to reduce vibration. Tighten only after confirming clearance from gutters and roof accessories, because correcting misalignment later is harder and risks stress to mounting points. Lift the tent onto the crossbars with help. You want steady hands and slow movements to avoid pinching cables. Once seated, slide mounting plates under the tent rails and align them with crossbar clamps so load distributes evenly. Tighten clamps finger tight, then use a torque wrench to reach the specified value. This prevents over-tightening that can crush rails. After torquing, inspect that the tent base is level and that there is about 1/2 to 1 inch clearance at edges so doors and seals function properly. You now deploy the tent once to confirm hinge smoothness and fabric tension. This reveals any binding points. Check the ladder angle and anti-slip foot, then zip and secure doors to ensure waterproofing. Make a final pass on all fasteners, retorque to spec, because vibration can loosen them on first drives. If you hear squeaks or feel movement, add rubber pads between clamps and bars or retorque bolts. These simple fixes stop noise and prevent wear. Finally, stow manuals and test. Drive at low speed to verify integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.